Hello folks, and welcome to Cisco Baltic Edition. You know, getting stuff done is all about having the right set of tools and knowing how to use them. I would argue that the two most powerful tools for getting stuff done when working remotely is your personal telepresence unit and matching it up with a mobile solution that supports video conferencing when on the run. And I think you've seen the videos to support it. But what if the person you want to collaborate with does not have a telepresence unit or any software installed on his or her PC or Mac? Or you are in a situation where you simply do not know where the person is, what the network requirements are, and what kind of device he or she might be using. Up until now, the only thing you could do was to either wait for the person to get back into the office or make a traditional phone call. Luckily, those days are over, because recently we launched something called WebEx Enabled TelePresence. So what is WebEx Enabled TelePresence anyway? Well, it's a method for merging traditional web conferencing and video conferencing in one solid solution. The benefits for an organization using these solutions are huge. From a features perspective, you get the following three things. You get two-way audio and high-definition video between the people using telepresence units and the people on PCs, Macs, iPads or iPhones in the cloud. You get two-way presentation sharing, meaning anyone in the meeting can be a contributor and add value to the meeting. You also get a super simple way of organizing meetings using the tools you are familiar with, which in most cases is Outlook. It's just that great. And as a meeting organizer, you have the power of taking charge of the meeting and give people the tools needed for getting stuff done. From an investment perspective, it's even better. Why? Well, here's why. You can get people into meetings at a cost that is far lower than before. And here's the trick. With WebEx Enabled TelePresence, a hardware endpoint will call into a virtual meeting room which has been scheduled using your regular Outlook calendar. This will consume only one seat in the video meeting room. Nothing new here. But wait, and this is the beauty. The web conferencing participants will only consume one seat in the video meeting room. In practice, this means that you can have 10, 20 or even 1,000 people in the web conference part, and they will only consume one seat in the video meeting room. So suddenly, you get HD quality video calling for everybody at a fraction of the cost compared to deploying telepresence endpoints or software for all. Now, I want to be 100% clear about one thing. This is not about making a decision between hardware-based telepresence and software-based web conferencing. Instead, it's about taking the best parts of both these worlds and merging them. The best possible hardware endpoints will ensure the best possible user experience and reliability. And the cloud will mean flexibility of getting people on any device into the meeting as equal participants. Here's my list of top 3 use cases suitable for this solution. Training. Using WebEx Enabled TelePresence, the trainer can use the best and most reliable tools for communicating with the added benefit of not having to worry about PC performance. Corporate announcements, same arguments before, but also the ability to be sure everyone in the meeting is able to take part, regardless of where they are and what devices they are using. Ad hoc meetings. Well, with WebEx Enabled TelePresence, you do not have to worry about how to set up your meetings. You just schedule and start your meeting, and then you let people take part in the meeting using whatever means that is making them the most productive. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is the bottom line. Making people productive. Help people get stuff done. Thanks for watching.